Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Yay for Happy Mail! This is my March 2019 Love From Lizi kit, and of course some of the add-ons I picked up from the March release. You take a peek at this, isn't that beautiful? Lots of soft, pretty colors. This is the Fairy Garden kit, and it is just perfect getting us ready for spring and away from this dreary cold winter. So let me show you everything that is included. So I will start with the cardstock. There are 5 full sheets of colored cardstock. There's this kind of a periwinkle blue, a navy blue, a gray, a cream, and then a Copic friendly white. And then there are 4 half sheets of pearlescent specialty cardstock. So there's gold, and there's this deep, like a forest green, a gray, and then a white. I love the pearlescent paper. It just has this nice shine to it. There are 12 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, and these are all single-sided designs. 2 of them have this really lovely glitter effect on them. So it's got the fairies and the butterflies, and then 2 of the sheets have a pearlescent touch to them. So lots of really soft pinks and yellows and just beautiful floral designs. And of course, all of the patterns coordinate beautifully together, so it'll be really easy to make some cards with these papers. So I love some of these just softer muted tones, and then some of the little busier designs. Look at these pretty butterflies. So there's another nice kind of a checkered background, and then some more of the little butterflies, and then those beautiful fairies. Just love this paper. And this month's kit includes 8 sheets of decoupage. And this is so pretty. So all of them have that touch of glitter on them, and it's a no shed glitter. This stuff does not come off. But it's so simple to use. They're all numbered. So if you want to make some really thick dimension, you could easily do that and use maybe all 4 or 5. Some of them have like 7 images. You just use some foam dimensional tape and then just layer those all on top of each other. Or you could just use 1 or even 2 of the pieces if you want a little less dimension. But they're all beautiful, and they each come with a sentiment on the sheet. And then there's also some coordinating stickers. So these also have that just touch of glitter on them. So lots of nice images and some more sentiments. And it just coordinates well with the pattern paper as well as the decoupage. So really pretty. And there are 4 sheets of the stickers. So next is the stamp set, and this is just beautiful. This is a very large set. It's about 5.5 inches by 8 inches. So it has these 2 really big images, and then lots of smaller floral, and then a few little sentiments. And the sentiments on the stamp set go well with this stencil set. So the stencil has love and thanks, and you can combine it easily with some of the other words on the stamps. And then there are the beautiful peel-offs for the month. So that is everything that comes in the large bag. So now on to the embellishment bag. There are 2 sheets of the square foam dimension that'll go perfectly with all of the decoupage. And then there are 5 different ribbons this month. I love this pink sparkly ribbon so much. And then there are 3 of these little metal fairy wand charms. Aren't those just sweet? I love how they have a little hole in the end so you could easily attach them to your card. And then next there is this lovely fairy die. I love the detail on that. And then there's also an additional stamp, so it's just a little single stamp with another fairy. See if you can see that a little bit better. So those who like to color, this will be a beautiful image to color. And then there are these really fun puffy stickers, but they're shaker stickers. So they have a bunch of these little sparkly stars on the inside. I know it's really hard to see because my lights are just reflecting off of that plastic. So yeah, there's all these little tiny silver stars inside this sticker. So those are going to be really fun to add to the cards. And there's also a nice assortment of these buttons. So there's some larger buttons and then some smaller ones. So you'll get a total of 8. So it's got floral and butterflies on them, and they are fairly thick. So they're definitely going to add a little bit of dimension on your card. And here is the lovely sequin mix for the month. It's like a light blue and a matte gold in there. Very pretty. And then there's this bag of these little tiny fairies. So they're like an iridescent plastic. So you can see all the reflection from the light on them. They're very pretty. See, it's kind of a pink and green, just depending on how the light hits it. So you get a nice little bag full of those. And then of course the Nouveau drops for the month. This is the sweet lilac color. So very pretty, matches nicely with the kit. So that's everything that you'll receive in the embellishment bag. So now on to the add-on items. There's an additional stamp set. This is the Garden Wishes stamp set, and it has some just great general sentiments and then some more of those large images. And then there's a little 3-piece die set. This is the With Love fairy dies. So you get another fairy, there's the nice With Love sentiment, and then a little butterfly. And then next I have the butterfly sticker set. So there are 8 stickers on this sheet. And these are so pretty because the background is a holographic sticker, and then all of the little butterfly wings are popped up with just a little bit of dimension. Aren't those beautiful? And there's also a sentiment sticker sheet. So there are 5 little sentiments on here. It coordinates perfectly with all of the pattern paper, and then it has just that little bit of foam dimension. So if you really like the 6x6 pattern paper that comes in the kit, you can also purchase it in the 8x8 size. So it's the exact same designs, it's all single-sided. It does have a slightly larger scale pattern on there since it is a larger paper. So there's 12 sheets of that. And then I just cannot resist any of Love From Lizi's embossing powders. So there are 8 new colors and I just needed them all. So they're really sparkly. The first one is Fairy Dust Party. And then there's Powder Pink Party. Look at that sparkle. It has these little holographic pieces in it. See, next is Tutu Pink. So it has some more of the glitter look in there. I love this one. Next is Sparkling Snow. So it's very silver, very sparkly. And then there's some Meadow Green. So there's no sparkle in this one, but it's a really lovely green color. And then just some more. If anybody wanted purple, there is purple. This is Pastel Purple Party. And then there's this really dark forest green. And then last, some more sparkly. This is the Baby Blue Party. So it has more of those little holographic pieces in there. Just beautiful. So now moving on to the specialty cardstock bundles. So this is the Fairy Garden Specialty Paper Bundle. There are 5 different sheets of this really lovely pearlescent texture embossed paper. So these colors will go just wonderfully with all of the collections. And then next is the Fairy Garden Mirror and Satin Paper Bundle. So there's a little bit of the mirror paper, there's that holographic sheet, look how shiny that is, and then of course the really softer satin designs. And then the last one is the Fairy Garden Glitter Cardstock Bundle. There are 5 sheets in this collection, and then once again all of these colors just coordinate nicely with the pattern paper. And then I do have one more add-on item. This is another one of Love From Lizi's mega packs. This is the Secret Garden. So there are 5 sheets of pearlescent paper. So a nice variety, and it just matches beautifully with all of these papers. And since this is a mega pack, there are 32 sheets of 8x8 pattern paper. So some of them have the pearlescent look to them. Some sheets have a spot gloss effect on them, and then a few others have a nice fabric texture, like this green wood design. Half of the pattern papers are double-sided, and then the other half are single-sided. So it has a really nice assortment of colors and styles. So this kit would work really great for any gender card. There's those really nice kind of pink and purple butterflies, and then there's this nice masculine looking, you know, the trees, there's the bugs on there. So it's a really good collection for kind of all year round. Perfect for heading into spring and summer though. The paper in the mega packs are always a really nice heavy weight, so you're not going to get any flimsy paper at all. So a nice variety of different designs. And this mega pack comes with 8 steel dies. So they're all garden or outdoor themed. So you have a grate, the little rubber boot, a little flower pot. It's actually 2 little flower pots. And then the watering can, the little hanging basket. And then there's this adorable little garden gnome. And then last, a little garden bench. So you definitely get a lot of product in the mega packs, and I can't wait to use this one. So now here's just another look at the March 2019 Love From Lizi card kit. If you are interested in purchasing one, I do have links in the description box. The kits sell out every month, so if you are wanting one, I suggest not waiting. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to subscribe to the monthly card kits. Coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards, 1 kit video, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.